Hello everyone, I have mixed up the 30 volume developer and the bleach here, and it is time to apply. Hopefully Kyle will look a little bit more like this when we are done.
Hello, my name is Kyle Andrew Borsay and I approve of this video.
Oh, I didn't even know that was your middle name.
Well,
now you know.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Your middle name is Chi-Chi.
It's Cha-Cha.
Cha-Cha. What is your middle name?
Guess.
Guess Jeans.
Guess brand jeans.
Guess brand Jeans. Skimble Shanks?
Rumple Teaser. It's a very common middle name.
Rumple Teaser?
Yeah.
Dr. Niles Crane.
I wish. Okay, Frasier is like suddenly having a resurgence. It's like a Frasier renaissance.
Says who?
Well, Nick was reading this article about, I think it was in the New York Times or something, about like how Frasier is having a renaissance among modern millennials and stuff like that. So I'm a little sad because we're very protective of our favorite show, which happens to be like one of the highest grossing and won 10 million Emmys back in the day.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did. It was like one of the most popular shows of all time.
Wow.
Frasier.
Wow.
It shaped my sense of humor.
Oh, I see.
Doesn't it make sense now? Doesn't it all make sense now?
Yeah.
So any more guesses from a middle name?
Oh. Michelle.
No, but that's closer.
Marie.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Ding, 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 ding.
Justine Marie Crawford.
Crowfoot. I've never applied bleach on hair this short. Kind of just going at it.
Fingers crossed.
Going at it. So Kyle's hair is probably like, it's almost black. It's almost black. So we might have to do 2 applications tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the color spectrum, am I like a number 1?
Probably close to it. We're gonna get to 10 today, baby.
6 to midnight.
I think it will happen though because your hair is like practically all roots. So
Sure.
your scalp is nice and warm
Yeah.
and incubating. Should we do your mustache and eyebrows?
No!
And every strand of hair on your body?
No fucking way. Oh, I shouldn't swear.
No, you can swear, it's okay.
Alright. Apologies to our underage viewers.
Viewer discretion is advised. Okay. So we'll probably leave this on for about 40 minutes. We'll watch it, we'll keep an eye on it. Keep 2 eyes.
1 each?
1 each, yeah. I'm just getting like it all over your face.
Oh.
This is like so much on your face right now.
Oh.
Good coverage, good coverage, good coverage.
Well, I mean, as long as it doesn't make my face blonde. What happened to your face?
I bleached it.
It's bleached it.
Yeah.
Justine, do you do your own roots?
I do, and
Wow.
perhaps we might be having a video about that at some point.
Coming up.
So basically my friend and I, who are both platinum blonde, just do each other's roots.
Who's this?
Allie.
Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Get to the root of the problem.
We certainly have. Okay, well, I think we're pretty much done with the application here.
Okay.
So we'll let you incubate for 40 minutes or so in a watchful eye. And you can help me install my shelf in the meantime.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Home Improvement.
All right.
We're going to watch Home Improvement.
See you back here in a minute.
We'll display this is level 1.
This is stage 1, baby. So, after 40 minutes, we have washed off the first round of bleach, and it's pretty light. Like, we're probably at like a level 7 right now. So we're gonna go in again with the same Quick Blue Bleach, but with a 20 volume developer, because just shoot it right in there.
Don't do that, please. This is not safe for work.
NSFW.
C. Not suitable for channel.
So yeah, we're just gonna go in with the 20 volume, and I think it should be powerful enough to get it to platinum today.
Let's see. If it does, I'm gonna be super stoked. I'm even stoked right now.
Oh, you're gonna be stoked.
It's so
You're
long.
gonna be stoked, Kyle.
For the for the record, for the watcher, all the viewers out there.
Viewer discretion is advised.
If I ever bleached my hair, it was with like box dye from the grocery store, you know, and not this good shit. So
yeah, this is the good shit from Sal.
I was already expecting to have just like a bright orange head and be done with it. So quite impressed so far.
So Kyle is debating shaving off his mustache as well for this. So
I don't know. It feels out of place.
I feel like it's a statement.
A statement.
It's a statement, yeah. A statement to keep the dark stash.
I guess people might be more freaked out.
Yeah, you would look like an entirely different person if you shaved your mustache and came to work with blonde hair.
I was thinking about that now. It would be really funny.
Would it be? Should we just do it then? But like the mustache is good. It's like having dark eyebrows with blonde hair.
Yeah, that's true, I guess.
Fashion.
Very weirdo.
Yeah. I think you should keep it.
Alright. Fine.
Okay. Well, I think we're done with round 2 of application, so let's give her another 40 minutes
Ooh.
and actually install my shelf.
Oh yeah, okay, great.
And
yeah, we just looked at books instead.
Yeah.
That was fun.
It was a good book.
What's this voice?
I don't know.
It was a good book.
Okay.
What's up, YouTube?
Okay, so after round 2, Kyle's hair is super light. It's probably like a level 9. So we're just going to apply some toner to it.
It's very light.
It's very light. It's very light. So yeah, we will, the classic Wella color charm. It's gonna be way too bright here.
Well, let's get to it.
Okay, final result. I'm very satisfied with how it turned out. We pretty much are the same color.
I'm amazed. It's so light.
Shocked and amazed.
Shock.
I think this was possible because Kyle's hair is so short. I don't know if the results would be as even if I was doing this on longer hair. But I think it turned out really well.
Agreed.
And yeah.
I'm 100% satisfied. I'll recommend this service to
Write me a Yelp review.
Yeah, Google
5 star.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe we should do some like closer up shots.
Sure. What's that?
Good. It's good.
Back it up.
Back it up like a tractor truck. What? Back it up like a tractor truck?
Back it up like a tractor truck.
Okay, so thank you for joining us in our platinuming experiment. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box down below. And I hope to see you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Bye!